Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or enable pop-ups and redirects for websites you're browsing on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select where it says Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Additional Permissions, there should be a Content section. Select Pop-ups and Redirects. And then you want to select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.